Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see sent follow request on Instagram. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you got to go to your profile right here. Tap on it. Now, once done, once you're on your profile, go to the top, tap on the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now, go ahead and tap on Accounts Center. Once done, go ahead and find Account Settings right here, and we have your information and permissions. Tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on Export Your Information. Tap. Wait for a new page to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, I have one here ready for download, but it's for Facebook, so we're going to go ahead and create one for Instagram. So just tap on Create Export. Now go ahead and select your Instagram account, like so. Now go ahead and tap on Export to Device. Scroll down, Customize Information, tap on it. Now untick all, okay? Or just go ahead and select all, clear all. Now scroll all the way down and find right here, clear this one. Connections, we have here connections. Clear everything, just leave connections, okay? So that the export will be short. So contacts, untick, just leave followers and following, tap on save. Date range, could be last week, last month, or all the time, okay? I'm just going to go ahead and select last week right here. Tap on save. Scroll down. Leave the format to HTML. The quality, just leave it. Okay. Now, once that's done, just tap on export. Enter your password. And once done, you will be able to receive, all right, you will have to wait for this. You'll be able to receive a notification or email, okay, that your export is ready. Or you can just go back to the same exact page and tap on the download button right here. All right. So what you're going to do, if you already got or downloaded the zip file, okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead and find or extract it first, then find the HTML file, open it up, and you will be able to see a list of your follow requests. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.